Welcome to the world of NEWA. In this video, we'll show you how to use your NEWA anti-aging skincare system. Before the treatment, make sure your face and neck are clean and dry. Remove all jewelry and choose the area you wish to treat. Connect the NEWA to an electrical outlet. Remove the protective cap. Apply 2 lines of NEWA gel to the NEWA active tip. Before turning the system on, spread the NEWA gel on the entire treatment area. In order to start treatment, move the switch to treatment level 2. Now press the power button. The LED will start blinking, indicating that the NEWA is powered and delivering energy. NEWA will let you know when your skin has reached the optimal temperature by changing its LED color from blue to green. A mild vibration will indicate the end of the treatment cycle. Press the power button and continue on to the next area, repeating the same treatment procedure. End of treatment. Turn NEWA off by moving the switch to 0. Gently clean your face and wipe off any leftover gel from the electrodes area with a soft, dry cloth and replace the protective cap. Immediately after treatment, the treated area feels pleasantly warm. Treatment plan. We recommend 3 to 5 treatments a week for the first month. For maintenance, use NEWA twice a week. You can track your treatment progress with the NEWA app. Treatment tips. For a full list of tips and contraindication, please refer to our user manual and quick guide. You are now on your way to removing wrinkles and achieving tighter, rejuvenated skin. NEWA. More collagen, less wrinkles.